We all know the Lexus LFA is a special car known for its glorious sound that makes the driver sing and experience eargasm. But why did this luxury brand Lexus put so much effort into making this car sound so good? The answer lies in the ambitious vision of Akio Toyoda, who is a racing enthusiast and the driving force behind the project. He not only wanted to create a supercar that could compete with Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini, but also wanted to make it a global icon for the Lexus brand. Toyota understood the importance of creating a strong connection between the driver and the car, so they worked together with Yamaha Motor, who is an expert in making high-performance engines. Since the engine sound plays a crucial role in the driving experience, Toyota, who was involved in Formula 1 at the time, wanted to bring that excitement to the LFA. To achieve this, Yamaha Motor took the collaboration to the next level by involving Yamahamusic. The goal was to use the engine sound to establish a direct connection between the car and the driver, just like musicians who need high-quality audio feedback to deliver the best possible performance. So they designed a special intake manifold called the surge tank, which was inspired by musical instruments. It was optimized by adjusting the thickness of the upper surface and adding internal vibrating ribs to produce certain frequencies. When the LFA is running at 3000 RPM, it produces a pleasant tone at 250 Hz. As the engine goes beyond 6000 RPM, it creates a seductive sound at 500 Hz. That makes anyone inside the car experience an eargasm. Since the LFA doesn't rely on artificial sounds, they had to find a way to bring the engine sound into the cabin. This is where Yamahamusic came in again. They drilled a hole through the car's structure and created two paths to carry the engine sound into the cabin, directly from the surge tank. This gives the driver the feeling of being at a live engine sound concert. While the LFA may not be the fastest or the quickest compared to its rival, it has the ability to evoke strong emotion in its driver. Unfortunately, as we enter the electric car era, we might not be able to experience cars like the LFA anymore. Jeremy Clarkson also shared his thoughts about this.
The Lexus LFA, because of the noise it made, that V10 sound was spine-tingling, and you don't get that from electric cars. You know, which would you rather have? Sex with Natalie Portman or a sewing machine? It's literally that far apart.